Rockford Police Officer is arrested accused of raping a woman.
51-year-old Daniel Basile is charged with criminal sexual assault. Police announced the arrest this afternoon. We covered it live on Facebook.
Reporter Dylan Strachey was there. Dylan, what have you learned about Basile?
Eric, Mimi, Basile was booked into the Winnebago County Jail a little after noon, and less than an hour later, the chief announced his charge.
It's close to home as he's an officer that works for us.
One of their own, arrested. Rockford Police Chief Dan O'Shea says Daniel Basile, a 19-year veteran of the Rockford Police Department, is charged with criminal sexual assault.
An arrest warrant was obtained for Dan Basile, and he was taken into custody without incident earlier today.
Police say he assaulted a woman on Friday, October 11th at 1 o'clock in the morning at a home on Regan Street near Rural. Basile was off duty at the time. Winnebago County State's Attorney Marilyn Height-Ross says it took courage for the victim to speak up after the traumatic experience.
I wanted to applaud the victim for coming forward. That's very challenging. But what the public needs to understand is sexual assault is a crime of violence. A lot of victims suffer from post-traumatic stress after the incident. Sometimes it takes time for them to heal and to get up the courage to come forward.
Police say when they found out about the allegations, Basile was placed on paid administrative leave, and O'Shea wants everyone to know this case will be handled just like any other.
Every case is handled the exact same way. Any criminal allegation we take in, whether it be an officer, an employee, or a regular citizen, they're investigated, and then we push them to the state's attorney's office to determine charging, and then we let it go through the criminal court case.
Basile is in jail on $250,000 bond. He's due in court tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. Eric?
Dylan, thanks. Rockford's mayor wasted no time condemning the alleged actions of Basile. In a statement, Mayor Tom McNamara says in part, quote, "I'm angry and disappointed that one of our officers has been charged with criminal sexual assault." He continues, "The seriousness of these allegations shows no one is above the law, even members of law enforcement." The officer did have an order of protection filed against him back in August. According to the city's website, any officer who is the subject of an order of protection has to report it to their supervisor. We've asked police if that happened. We also asked if Basile was still on the job. Police have not answered those questions. Karina Parada will have more on this part of the story coming up tonight at 9 and 10.